Hey guys, it's Ray. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, then welcome. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm doing a hair tutorial using my beach waver. If you haven't seen this, I'm pretty positive they use this on the Victoria's Secret models for their fashion show every year, or they used to at least. And I got this for Christmas and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm gonna do a little tutorial on how to use it because it's a little bit different than other curling irons. So I'm gonna put like half of my hair up and get started. Hey guys, so real quick, I wanted to show you some stuff that I'm putting in a giveaway for this video. I'm giving away this Luxie brush set. It's got some really good brushes in here and a nice spoolie. I don't know if you can see that, sorry about the flash. But I'm giving this away. And then also in this giveaway, you're gonna get this face palette from Wander Beauty. It's a really pretty palette. And then you're also gonna get a lippy from Tarte. Let's see. That's a shimmering lip paint. It's a super pretty one. And then lastly, but certainly not least, I'm giving away this hello dog here. How you doing? Wow, yes, I have dogs. Can you tell? So I'm giving away this Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. It is the Holy Grail palette, HD palette. It is nice and big. I love Violet Voss eyeshadows, but I just feel like I have these colors already in my collection. I just want to share the love and give it away to one of you guys. It's a nice big palette, so it's very versatile, and definitely want one of you to get your hands on it so you can create some awesome looks with it. So just be sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave me a comment down below when you've done those things so I can make sure I can find you on Instagram. So make sure you leave your Instagram handle down there, okay? Let's get back to the video. Alrighty, I put half of it up because your girl's got some thick hair. So I'm doing it in 2 different layers. I'm gonna start with this side. And you can take a pretty good chunk. I'm gonna take about this much right here. And then I'm gonna take my beach waver, and it's just got a clamp right down here at the very bottom. So you wanna clamp the bottom of your hair. I like to leave a little bit of my hair like not in the clamp so that it's more like beach waves, you know? There are several other ways you can use this, but this is the way I like to use it. So I'm just going to hit the arrow this way because I want it to curl it away from my face. So here we go. And basically you just hit the button and it just curls up. You just have to like follow along with it and it curls it for you, and I'm obsessed with this. It's so much quicker than a normal curling iron, and I have a lot of hair, so that's important to me. And there it is. And my hair is also very long. I'll stand up a little bit so you can see. But my hair is like, hello. See, like you still can't even see how long it goes. When it's straight, my hair is like in the middle of my abs, or what used to be my abs. Alright, and then I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing with the rest of my hair. I'll probably speed it up so you're not just sitting here watching me curl my hair for forever. Alright, so I took the top half of my hair down and I'm going to curl that, but the bottom I'm going to keep it like pulled up front, and then so I can keep it separate from the parts that are not curled. And then at the very end I'm going to kind of like shake them all out and show you the beach wave effect. Okay, so clearly this looks crazy, but I'm done, and that was super quick. It was like maybe 15 minutes, and I have long and thick hair. I mean, it's just never ending. So I'm going to just kind of run my fingers through it and pull it out, bring it back, kind of pick it up. And then the last thing I like to do, I'll move my chair real quick. Keep them nice and loose, tie for real, and just, oh yeah. And now they're nice and beachy and wavy and not so like, hi, I've combed my hair today. I'm Shirley Temple. You know what I mean? What do you think, Brie? I like it. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I have like these baby hairs up here. One day I'll, learn how to fix those, but right now I could care less. So I think it looks really good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you had this or if you're gonna pick it up from seeing this video, because it's awesome. You can get it at Ulta or thebeachwaver.com, I think. They have a website. I'm just not sure what it's called, obviously. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to see from me, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!